I set true equals false and I can't undo it. I was in this code golf thread where I learned in Python 2 you can set true equals false. Now that I would like to go back to the real world, I want true to be regular old true, but if I run true equals true, Python diverts the assignment true to false. I realize I can assign true equals 1 and things will mostly work normally, but is there a way to reset true without resetting the kernel?
This removes the binding you created for true and hiding the built-in. This is a slightly more thorough way to undo your mistake than assigning anything to true, although it usually won't matter.
A lot of things return true. Do true equals 1 equals 1. Moral of the story, don't run code golf code in production environments. You're lucky that was all you did. A lot of the stuff there is even worse. And I know, coming from PPCG tongue.
Just a fun one. Set it to exactly what you want. Here is some fiddling in interactive mode to illustrate what you're seeing.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.